Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at how we manage data in the monitor, how to manage data well, how to import and export data from the monitor, and filtering crop types. If we're looking to manage data in our screen, we do that through the toolbox and then the data tab. And we have the opportunity to look at the growers, farms and fields that are on our monitor. And we've only got one grower at the moment, and if we want to delete that, we can highlight them all and then delete, and we can look at our crop and product library as well. This is the products that we've got in there, fertilizer, and if we want to delete them, then we can do. Always helpful to keep your monitor as empty as you possibly can. Sort of clear of any growers that you don't want, any fields that you don't want, to avoid data duplication when it goes back up to your PLM Connect cloud. On the right hand side here we've got our inbox, so we've got some files that have been sent out from the PLM Connect portal, and we can delete those when we've got a history of them underneath, as well as to what has come out. We can see that 2 have been downloaded and imported, 2 that haven't, because we've got the green tick from them from there. Then we can go to our import tab, depending on whether we're importing data from the USB stick or the cloud, and that is done there. Export, if we want to export any information out to the USB stick or to the cloud, so we can send it to the cloud, the software, and IntelliView for different types of monitors, and that can go via the USB stick as well. Always helpful to look at keeping your user profiles and vehicle configurations, keep a backup of those, just in case something should go wrong with the monitor and you need to re-import them quickly. You don't have to start from scratch. So having backups of those is very helpful. And so that's a demonstration machine, and we've got lots of vehicle configurations on here as a simulator, but that's what we would want to send out. We have a product library down here. This is when we're looking at our products. We've got our fertilizer, and that came in from a variable rate application map, and this is what we would look to delete if we're bringing new fertilizers in or changing our default rates. We've got the arrow at the bottom of the screen, so we know there's another layer to go, and our crop type filter is the last one. This is very useful if we're wanting to reduce error when it comes down to selecting crops. We've got barley winter, barley spring and barley fall, for example. If I'm only ever harvesting barley winter, if I tick that, that's all that will show up as my crop type. So I'm not going to select the barley spring, for example. And if it's on a combine, then the settings in IntelliSense will alter depending on which crop you select. And it's also, when you're bringing yield data back in, it is just it's just a bit of a hassle to change if you've selected the wrong crop type in the monitor, because it won't merge them because they're different crop types. So if we take out the ones that we're not using and only tick the ones that we are, it'll make life and data management much easier and much more accurate. So those are the areas that, from a data point of view, that you need to look at and consider when you're working on your monitor.